Hello friends. Hello. Welcome to Pandit Invest to all of you. Is my voice is clear? Are you able to listen it? Mr. Vikas, are you able to hear my voice? Welcome to Pandit Invest YouTube channel. My voice is clear? Are you able to listen it? Mr. Vikas, are you able to hear my voice? Okay, thank you, Mr. Vikas. Welcome, Mr. Ajit Singhvi. Let other people join. Today's topic is Sebi new rules for margin. As already you know that it's already implemented from 1st December 2020. So those who don't know what is margin, first we'll discuss what is margin and why Sebi has imposed these new rules and what are the pros and cons of these margin rules. We are not going to complain or of Sebi. We are just for education purpose. This video is for only for education purpose to let you know about the Sebi rules and what will the impact on market on these rules. Then after we will discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty trend So let me start. Next, so as per Sebi rules, from 1st September 2021, 100% peak margin will be, as it already implemented from December 2020. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि ये सेबी रूल्स मार्जिन जो है वो दिसंबर 2020 से लागू हो गया था, और दिसंबर 2020 से फरवरी 2021 25% मार्जिन लगा था उस समय। उसके बाद सेकेंड फेज़ आया मार्च 21 टू मई 2021, 50% मार्जिन इम्पोज हुआ। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जून 2021 से अगस्त 2021 75% मार्जिन लागू हुआ, और अब सितंबर 2021 से 100% मार्जिन होगा, यानी कोई भी ब्रोकर आपको मार्जिन नहीं दे पाएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस रूल। तो मार्जिन का मतलब क्या हुआ? मार्जिन मीन्स व्हाट लिवरेज यू गेट फ्रॉम योर ब्रोकर, मीन्स जस्ट ए लोन that it is simply gives you the power to trade in stock that we can't afford to buy. Suppose you have 10,000 cash and you want to trade of 1 lakh rupees. So what brokers given the leverage? Some brokers given 10x, 20x, 30x up to 40x leverage. So this is called a margin, or simply broker giving you a loan to trade if you have low amount of capital. So with low amount of capital, suppose 10,000, the broker given you 1 lakh rupees to trade intraday, make intraday position only. This is only for intraday. So this is called a margin, and why it is imposed we will discuss. So till August, this is the figure of this is the old margin and this is new margin, and this figure till 31st of August. As for this old figure, suppose old margin was 10,000, the new margin remained 10,000. The margin previously you getting 20x, 20 times the brokers given to you to buy any equities quantity or any option buying or future. Now it come down to 5x in the month of August, and from September it will be 0, no margin. So laterally it provide you 2 lakhs rupees. If you have 10,000, you get the benefit of 1%. If you get the profit 2,000, and till now until August you are getting the benefit of 500, and after from September you will not get any margin and you will not get any benefit. So this is the margin rule of Sebi. Now इसका मतलब ये है कि पहले जो मार्जिन था, अब 10,000 में ब्रोकर आपको 2 लाख, 3 लाख, 4 लाख अमाउंट प्रोवाइड करती थी इक्विटी बाई करने में कोई भी स्टॉक को, या फ्यूचर सेलिंग में जो भी मार्जिन लगता है, या सेलिंग ऑप्शन में जो भी मार्जिन लगता है, कुछ ब्रोकर आपको लीवरेज देता था। लेकिन अब वो कुछ लीवरेज नहीं मिलेगा। 1 सितंबर से आपको खुद का पैसा लगाना पड़ेगा। जब तक आपका पैसा पर्याप्त नहीं होगा आप कोई भी ट्रेड नहीं कर सकते हैं। फिलहाल पहले 2 लाख से आप 10,000 के में 2 लाख आपको बेनिफिट हो सकता था, 2 लाख का आप ट्रेड कर सकते थे इंट्राडे। अब आपको 2 लाख ही कैपिटल लगाना पड़ेगा कोई भी ट्रेड अगर 2 लाख का ट्रेड करना चाहते हैं तो ये रहा मार्जिन का नियम। अगर नेक्स्ट हम करें तो फ्रॉम सितंबर 100% peak margin norms which would mandate stock and commodity broker to collect 100% of the total margin required for initiating intraday position। मतलब अगर इंट्राडे वो करना है तो आपको पैसा उतना ही लगेगा जितना आपके पास है। अगर 1 लाख का कैपिटल है तो आप 1 लाख का ही ट्रेड कर सकते हैं, और ब्रोकर आपका 100% आपको मार्जिन रखना पड़ेगा कोई भी ट्रेड इंट्राडे के लिए। आपको कोई भी लीवरेज अब सितंबर से नहीं मिलने वाला। अब चलते हैं वाई सेबी डूइंग दिस। तो सेबी डूइंग दिस टू डिक्रीज स्पेकुलेटिव ट्रेडिंग। स्पेकुलेटिव ट्रेडिंग मैंने एक तरह का जुआ इंटरडे में, जैसे कोई टिप्स मिला किसी क्लाइंट को किसी भी ब्रोकर्स के थ्रू कि आज ये शेयर 10 रुपया 20 रुपया जाएगा या ऊपर सर्किट जाएगा, तो क्लाइंट क्या करता है कि कुछ कैपिटल अमाउंट में ही ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी खरीद सकता है। जैसे 10,000, जैसे कोई भी 100 रुपया का XYZ 100 रुपया का शेयर है, तो 100 रुपया का शेयर है, तो उसको 1000 क्वांटिटी खरीदना है, तो करीब 1 या 100 क्वांटिटी खरीदना है तो 10,000 लगेगा या 1 लाख लगेगा। तो उस हिसाब से वो क्या करता है कि 100 क्वांटिटी जगह 400 क्वांटिटी, 500 क्वांटिटी मार्जिन के लीवरेज के थ्रू, विद द बेनिफिट ऑफ मार्जिन लीवरेज ट्रेडर्स डोंट हैव कंट्रोल ओवर क्वांटिटी। इसके कारण क्या हुआ, उनका लॉस होना पड़ा अगर प्राइस उसके हिसाब से मूवमेंट नहीं किया तो ड्यू टू एक्स्ट्रा लीवरेज इंटरडे ट्रेडर्स don't have control over quantity and result heavy loss. To save such traders, Sebi taken step. Now second point is to curb leverage broker offer to their client. जो leverage broker जो client लोन देती थी अपने client को, तो फंड कहाँ से किधर से मूवमेंट करके वो फंड देती है, इसको चेक करने के लिए सेबी ने ये नियम लागू किया है। तो दो तरह से, एक जो भी न्यू इन्वेस्टर्स है उनको प्रोटेक्ट करें कि कोई भी अपना पैसा शेयर मार्केट में स्पेकुलेटिव वेब में इंटरडे में ज़्यादा ह्यूज क्वांटिटी खड़ा ना करे और उसके कारण उनको लॉस ना हो, इसके लिए सेबी ने ये नियम जारी किया है। और दूसरा, फंड मूवमेंट जो हो रहा है ब्रोकर के थ्रू, जैसे प्रीवियस आप जानते हैं कार्वी ब्रोकर में जो घटना घटी है, उसके रिजल्ट के थ्रू सेबी ने एक कदम, एक सीख के तौर पे एक कदम उठाया गया है। तो ये रहा सेबी ने ऐसा क्यों किया। अब इसका इम्पैक्ट जो होगा, जैसे जो पोजिशनल ट्रेडर्स है उसका कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं होगा, जो लॉन्ग टर्म ट्रेडर्स इन्वेस्टर्स है उनका कोई नो इम्पैक्ट ऑन पोजिशनल ट्रेडर्स। द इंटरडे ट्रेडर्स हैव टू पे हायर मार्जिन्स बट देयर विल बी इम्पैक्ट ऑन इंटरडे ट्रेडर्स who have to trade, they have to pay higher margin to trade. If you are 1 lakh capital, then you only can trade up to 1 lakh. You can get any leverage or further 10x, 5x, 20x, such that. So it will impact also who trade in long future or short future and also in short selling of options. ये उनको भी नुकसान होगा जो लॉन्ग करते हैं फ्यूचर में या शॉर्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि लॉन्ग करने पे भी फ्यूचर में मार्जिन लगेगा, शॉर्ट करने पर भी फ्यूचर में मार्जिन लगेगा, और जो ऑप्शन सेलिंग करते हैं उनको भी मार्जिन लगता है। तो उस हिसाब से जो भी ट्रेडर्स है उनको एक्सेसिव मनी देना पड़ेगा टू ट्रेड। तो ड्यू टू अनलिमिटेड रिस्क रिक्वायर्ड इन सच डेरिवेटिव, सेबी इम्पोज सच मार्जिन रूल्स। नाउ द इम्पैक्ट ऑन मार्केट। अब इसके इम्पैक्ट ऑन मार्केट से पहले हम समझ ले कि इसके बाद अब इसका नतीजा ये हुआ कि जो ब्रोकर्स को कमाई होती थी इंटरडे ट्रेडर्स के थ्रू, जो लीवरेज देते थे अपने क्लाइंट को, तो उनका जो ब्रोकरेज जो डेली आय होता था अर्निंग, वो कम जाएगा इसके कारण। हाय राजन माधवन जी। और इसका इम्पैक्ट होगा कि वॉल्यूम अब कम हो जाएगा। जो पहले 10 गुना, 20 गुना, 30 गुना वॉल्यूम होती थी, अब 1-2 गुना या 4 गुना या 5 गुना रह जाएगा। दूसरा, जो इंटरडे ट्रेडर्स है वो अब ट्रेड नहीं कर पाएंगे। अगर वही ट्रेड कर पाएंगे जिसके पास अच्छा सा कैपिटल हो, वही इंटरडे ट्रेड कर पाएंगे, इट इज़ देयर ओन कैपिटल। और इसके कारण तीसरा नतीजा क्या होगा कि वोलेटिलिटी जो होता है शेयर में, जो 1 सेकंड में 10 रुपया बढ़ गया, फिर दूसरा सेकंड में 5 रुपया घट गया, वो वोलेटिलिटी विल रिड्यूस, वो कम हो जाएगा। चौथा, इन्वेस्टर हैव टू वेट लॉन्गर टाइम हॉरिजन टू गेट डिजायर्ड प्राइस टू सेल। मतलब जो भी लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टर्स है, अभी क्या होता है कि अभी मार्च 2020 से ले अभी तक जो भी स्टॉक में आप इन्वेस्ट करते थे, 3-4 महीना में स्टॉक डबल हो जाता है। लेकिन अब क्या होगा कि आप इसका 4 महीना के जगह आपको लगेगा 1 साल। क्यों 1 साल लगेगा? क्योंकि इंटरडे ट्रेडर्स कम गया और जो प्राइस फ्लक्चुएशन होता था वो भी कम जाएगा, वॉल्यूम ड्रॉप हो जाएगा। इसके कारण जो आपका जो मूवमेंट है या आपका जो प्राइस आप चाहते हैं वो आपको लंबी अवधि में ट्रांसफ़र हो जाएगा। मान लीजिए आप टाटा मोटर्स 300 में खरीदें और आप चाहते हैं कि 400 में बिक जाए 2-3 महीना में। अभी 2-3 महीना की जगह आपका 6 महीना भी लग सकता है। नेक्स्ट, स्मॉल रिटेल ट्रेडर्स विल आउट फ्रॉम द मार्केट। जो छोटे मोटे रिटेलर्स है वो मार्केट से हट जाएंगे इस मार्जिन रूल के थ्रू। अब क्या होगा, जो स्मॉल रिटेलर्स ट्रेडर्स है आप स्विच करेंगे ऑप्शन बाइंग में। स्मॉल रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स विल स्विच टू ऑप्शन बाइंग, बिकॉज ऑप्शन बाइंग ही एक ऑप्शन है जो जहाँ पे कम मार्जिन में आप ट्रेड कर सकते हैं और मुनाफा अधिक हो सकता है। लेकिन इसमें भी बहुत खतरा है, क्योंकि जो न्यू इन्वेस्टर्स आते हैं और डायरेक्ट ऑप्शन में ट्रेड करना चाहते हैं, उसका नतीजा ये होता है कि उनका कैपिटल जीरो हो जाता है और लॉस खा के चले जाते हैं। सो स्मॉल ट्रेडर्स विल स्विच टू ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग, and for that the new investors who come to the market first time, they want to earn big money with short period of time, and what they do, they try to first experiment in options and they lost whole capital because they don't have the idea of volatility in the option trading, and they don't have any experience, and without any guidance they do option trading and option buying and they lose the money. And whereas selling options is we need huge much of capital and they can't afford in buying or selling options. Now big players have a lot of opportunity in now market, because now retailers will there is no noise of retailers, and the big mutual funds and FII will do what they want to do with in the script. The option sellers now have to do more hedging method to minimize the margin. This is the impact on the market. And now the next will be the reason of this impact. The brokers who are earning use handsome money with a group or institutions or many intraday traders, they will hamper their profit, brokers, and that why they also given a letter to the Sebi to rejudge these rules. But Sebi is still intact, and this rule will come on 1st of September, and there will be no margin will be provided to the small traders who want to trade in a huge amount of quantity. So they have to keep their own capital to trade, and that is for. And what happened in previous, when margin was given to leverage was given to the client by brokers, now there was a benefit was that the client also make profit, and disadvantage was client also make huge loss. Broker make good amount of profit, whether client loss or even profit. Government making good amount of revenue, generating from revenue. They are getting the stamp duty and also GST. And now after this impact, what will be, the GST will be reduced, stamp duty will be reduced, and government will earn less revenue from this, and the broker will earn less revenue brokerage from these rules. So this is hope all you know aware of these margin rules. So what will the impact on market on 1st September? Already clear to you that volume will drop, and that a reason that market will slow down and you will not get desired price to exit in the market. You have to wait for longer period of time to get your desired price to sell. So any query about regarding this, you can ask for Sebi rules margin. Then I will discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty for coming week. तो आगे जाने से पहले कृपया लाइक कर दें निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी डिस्कशन करने से पहले जो भी व्यूअर्स देख रहे हैं कृपया इस यूट्यूब चैनल को लाइक करें। Those who are viewing this YouTube channel live requested to please press the like button, and those who are new viewers kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell notification so that you can get all your notification on your email box. Now what we will judge that when these rules were implemented on the 1st December 2020, then what was the market reaction. We will see that. That is on this was the first reaction, that market opened high and then make some dip, and then after it went high till high. In the month of March, on 1st March, what was the reaction of the market of when margin was hiked to 50%? So little bit was consolidation was there, and then next day it moved up, and third day also move up, and then it again went to consolidation and then went down. So next was on 1st of June. So on the 1st of June, the same was reaction. Market will open up and then went down. On second day it also went down, and third day it went up, and then remained in the trade range till June and July was trade in a range. So that is the reason why market was range in the month of June to August till July, maybe this rule. And other rules can be why bank nifty was not moving, because of this rule also, that the traders not getting the leverage, use leverage, so the volume was less, and for that reason bank nifty also not able to move like nifty. But question why nifty is moving? Nifty is moving because of the nifty index, because of heavy index are moving. For that reason nifty moved up, such as Reliance, TCS, Infosys. They have big contribution in the nifty index. For that reason nifty has moved up, bank nifty did not move. So now what will the impact on the 1st September? So I already made it clear what will the impact. Now we will discuss how the nifty and the bank nifty for coming week. So this friends, this is a day chart of the nifty, and already discussed in the previous video that we are in the 5th wave, which was from the low made 7,500. We are now the last leg of this rally, and we are in the 5th wave as per Elliott wave. So 5th of 5th is running, and it can touch. I already given you the video in the month of January that nifty will touch 25,000, 25,000 तक जाएगा. तो 25,000 तक जाएगा, not in this year, maybe next coming year. तो उसके पहले 17,000 का टारगेट दिया था, और ऑलरेडी गोइंग टू अचीव 17,000 लेवल्स इन निफ्टी soon in this week or maybe some days. Already touched 16,700, and SCS nifty is showing 16,800 plus. So we can see a gap of opening on Monday. The result that Mr. Powell, Central Bank of USA, have so not given a signal not to raise interest rate. For that reason Dow and Nasdaq went up on Friday. So we can see a good movement breakout from here, and we can see 17,000 level very soon in the Nifty. But before that, as already discussed you, that if RSI move up 70, it will be clear breakout, and we can see 70,100 levels in the Nifty, and you can see RSI now above 70 at 76.60. So first immediate hurdle in Nifty is 16,740 to 16,750. So this level must cross 16,730 to 50. So this is the immediate hurdle. Suppose open gap down opening above this level and sustain till more than 15 half an hour, 1 hour, then we can see 16,800 to 16,890 on Nifty. And if this level also cross or close above this level, then we might see 16,981 to 17,114 levels in Nifty in coming week. So the Nifty must close on Monday above 16,750, and on Monday if sustain above these levels 16,730 to 50 till first hour, and we can see this level 16,800, and again 16,800 is a supply zone, and if break above this level then we can see 16,890 in Nifty, and closing above this level then we can see clearly 16,981 to 17,150 on the upside. So be cautious on this resistance point, supply zone 60,800, 16,890, 6,981 and this level. So any bearish candle, if suppose on Monday if 1 hour candle become a hammer or shooting star after making a gap down opening near 16,730 or 16,750 and not able to sustain above 16,800 and make a bearish candle, then it can fall heavenly, can break heavenly. So be cautious on this level also. So those who are trading in Nifty future, keep a stop loss of 16,650 on Nifty future for a target of 16,890 minimum and maximum 17,114. And those who want to go short, to keep stop loss of 17,200. That stop loss is far away, and the target will be can be 16,000 level if break which level, if break this level 16,376. that was the low made on last Monday, and from there we saw the huge rally. So this is for Monday. Hope you clear. Now we will go for short term. This is a day chart, and if you see the hourly chart, it will clear to you. Now in hourly chart, why I am telling you 16,730 to 750, you can see that this is the resistance zone, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 doji was made in hourly chart. So is a clear maybe a distribution process. So and this will be the stop loss for short term traders, and those who are positional traders can keep also this 16,650, and this candle was low was 16,640.50. Yes, that is will the stop loss for short term traders, and if trading below or sustain below, then we might see a huge down and break of 16,564, which will break 16,376 on the downside. So it is clear to you what to do. Buy call if trade above 16,750, 16,800 call or 16,700 call you can take. Target will be 16,890. First target 16,800, then 6,890, and then 17,000. And if break this level, $16,670, this candle low, 16,677, then you can see to touch or it will break to go below this candle low 16,648. So if trade below Nifty 16,670, you go short or take a put 16,700 put, and the target will be minimum target will be 16,650, and then all this previous support will break 16,564 and then 16,395 and even go below 16,160. So this is the target for coming this coming week. So hope all you understand and clear. Before going to Bank Nifty, please press the like button. Those who are viewing my channel, this live channel, live telecast, and those who are watching first time, kindly subscribe this YouTube channel and press the bell notification so that you can get all the update in your email. So if you have any question regarding saving margin rule or Nifty, you can ask me here. Ankit Khaitan, PNB Bank view. Until unless Bank Nifty not move above 37,000, PNB Bank will not move. The Bank Nifty is now 35,627. You have to cross the barrier 36,000, then 37,000, then all POC bank will move start after crossing 37,000. So you can keep a stop loss of 35,000 in on closing basis in Bank Nifty in PNB. I am not getting like, please like the channel. Now we will move to Bank Nifty, and as said in the previous live that Bank Nifty has a possibility to touch 35,800, and you saw that in the on Friday session it already went till 35,785 and almost 35,800 target done on Friday sessions. First we will go to the daily chart. As you can see, the RSI is just neutral 50. Until unless he go above 60, there will be no movement in the Bank Nifty, and if cross 70 levels RSI, then we can see a big breakout in the Nifty. तो जब तक बैंक निफ्टी में 36,000 के ऊपर क्लोजिंग नहीं आता है, तब तक हम बैंक निफ्टी में बड़ा मूवमेंट नहीं देख पाएंगे. 36,330 के ऊपर क्लोजिंग अगर होता है जिस दिन भी हो तो बैंक निफ्टी में एक बड़ा ब्रेकआउट मूवमेंट आएगा और सीधा आपको 37,000 से 38,000 तक लेवल हम बैंक निफ्टी में वेरी फास्ट और वेरी क्विक देख पाएंगे. So regarding Monday, so this is a level for Bank Nifty. If we go to the 1 hour chart, so there is several barriers in the Bank Nifty. So why Bank Nifty is consolidating in a range. So Bank Nifty is just in a range, and you can see for Monday it should move above 35,820, then only or this candle high, that is 35,910, then we can see 36,000. So there is too much barrier, 36,920, then 36,065, and again the barrier means a resistance point 36,221, then 36,330. So much barrier for Nifty, Bank Nifty. So and then 36,460. So Bank Nifty need to cross all these barriers, then only we can see 37,000 plus. So don't expect the PSU Bank to move up until unless Bank Nifty trading within this range 36,300 to 34,800. There will be no movement in PSU Bank, as you can see the State Bank of India is trading near 400 range and not moving above 420. That is the reason sorry, why Bank Nifty is not moving up. So because there is no leadership participations, only private bank just showing some interest. ICICI Bank, already told you in the last video, keep watching my ICICI Bank, and it went to 699, 701 I think so on Friday. Yes, 700.25. It made low of 690 and then move up. So we can see expect all target given ICICI Bank 710. So the beautiful stock was Lakshmi Organic. How was Lakshmi Organic? Anybody holding this script? Lakshmi Organic, already given in my Telegram channel, Pandit Invest, at 300 rupees fortnight ago to buy, and within 15 days it make 300 to 420 levels. So keep holding Lakshmi Organic for more movement. Keep also booking. If you are short term traders, keep booking 50% and trail the stop loss at 355 in short term traders only. For long term traders, you can keep this stock. As already told you that this can be a second lowest lap. So coming back to the Bank Nifty, if break suppose if open gap up 35,900, then we might see 36,050, and next resistance will be 36,220, and third resistance will be 36,330, and next will be 36,461. Closing above 36,500, we might see 37,000 as a breakout, and next 38,000 will be the level for the Bank Nifty in the upper side. And on the downside, if break again, if trade below, suppose if face resistance 35,780, and will take again the support near 35,300 will the support, and break this level, the next support will be 34,950, and the last support will be 34,790, and below that the target will be 34,000 to 30,000 levels in the Bank Nifty if crash. So this is the level for the Bank Nifty in coming week. So any query, kindly hi Mr. Vinod Sukumaran, you are the hero of my option trading, and you are constantly earning good amount of profit every day of 12,000, 15,000, and on the last Thursday you have made 20,000 profit in option trading. Guys, we are giving a option trading to our clients, to our paid members, and Mr. Vinod Sukumaran is the one who obey my calls and do perfectly what I give instruction, and when to buy and what is the stop loss and what is the target, and he is the handsome profit making in option buying in Bank Nifty. To view on Indian bank, I already told you in PSU, all PSU bank, until and unless Bank Nifty not move above 37,000 levels, PSU bank will not move. So it is, you can hold for longer term or keep stop loss Bank Nifty 35,000 on closing basis, all PSU stock, because you can see index in all is our trading all time high, and on 1st September there will be Sebi rules margin. So they should be a cautious at higher level, because monthly chart is not favorable, and we are in the fifth wave. So all PSU banks should keep with trade with a stop loss. Let me see the Indian bank. If you see the Indian bank chart, yes, hourly chart is a bullish Marubazu. This is the day chart. It's showing evening star on 25th August. So 130 is the first resistance for Indian bank, and the next resistance will be 133. Closing above 135 only, we can see till 142. So only closing above this level 146, it will be breakout. The breakout point will be closing basis above 147. The target will be 180 on Indian bank. So Indian bank showing some strength on daily and hourly chart also. So it is a good, if it is only for swing trading. So we can see Indian bank till 148. You can see the gap here. So hold Indian bank with a stop of 110, and target, you can see the gap in Indian bank. So you might see it fill up the gap. It will come to fill up the gap at 150. So hold the Indian bank with a stop of 110. The target will be 150. The duration, I can't tell you the durations. Depends on the movement of the Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty move above 36,500 and touch 37,000, then you can see the figure of 150 target in Indian bank. So advise you to keep with a stop loss of 110, the target of 150 for Indian bank. So we are closing these sessions already over 45 minutes. So those who are kindly already requested to like the channel live sessions, and any query you can ask me now. Already discussed about the Sebi margin rules, what will the impact on the market. Hope is clear to you. And already discussed about the Nifty and Bank Nifty, what to do in given the support and resistance level for coming week. I have already given the Lakshmi organic to buy, and it went upper circuit on Friday. The target we can see the first minimum target will be 431, and if closing above this level, then 477, and then 524 level will be the target for Lakshmi Organic if you hold for 2 to 3 months. It is possible because it is API stock and already given another stock to buy Deepak Nitrite. It already it went fall to 2040 in the last corrections, so now it again come back to 2130. So closing above 2177, we might see Deepak Nitrite. The target of 2500 will be the target for Deepak Nitrite to next 2 to 3 months. So this is the stock breakout stock. You should invest in these shares: Deepak Fertilizer also, and Deepak Nitrite. Lower slab will come down and is near to support, so you buy again. Then if you get near 600 levels, you come down, and target will be 1000 level in Deepak lower slab for next 2 to 3 months. You always keep the stop loss because your market is all time high, so it will not give you the time to exit if you not take the profit in time, and keep quantity in 50% quantity in such a all time high range, because we don't know when our market will crash if want to do, because first signal will come from the global market, and then next time on after night it will open gap down, so it will not give time to exit. So keep your quantity in control and have a profitable trading. Thank you for watching these live sessions, and those who are new subscriber, kindly like the channel and kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching it.